And this year also we are focusing and targeting our efforts to achieve at least a 40% growth in the business in Pakistan. Last year we won the export trophy from Pakistan, and we are on target to win the same trophy this year also. I think our objective is not to win trophies every year, which I think we are quite confident that we should be by the grace of God and your help. However, our objective would be to set a target for everybody else, which is going to be so much higher above normal expectations, and believe that it will be quite normal to achieve high growth for Crestsoft. This year, when I say 40% growth, what do I mean? We are a company of about 200 people at this point, and what we wish to be is around 300 people the next time I'm given the opportunity to talk to you. This is a very, very aggressive target, and by no means it's easy. And I am very confident in our abilities to achieve this, both from a business perspective and from a human resource development perspective. At the same time, Crestsoft के इस वक्त जो ऑफिसेस कराची, लाहौर और इस्लामाबाद में हैं, और 2 ऑफिसेस अमेरिका में हैं. We would like to grow at the same rate at all the offices. We are committed to have all the offices the opportunity and credibility, which is at the same time both the leading and cutting edge in Pakistan and leading and cutting edge abroad also. I'd just like to give a small example of the type of work we are doing, which is quite beyond the ordinary in Pakistani context. We have recently won a contract from a major Singapore corporation, and we are developing a video conferencing application for them, which is something which is unheard of even for a large US corporation like, let's say, Philips or NEC. So we are given that opportunity to develop a very high technology application, and I have Dr. Haroon sitting here who's leading that team, and inshallah we should be successfully giving a demonstration to the customer on June 7th in Singapore. In addition to that, we have also worked on applications, and we've started to work on application on electronic commerce, which is a leading field for software companies worldwide. We believe we are one of the first companies to work in electronic commerce from Pakistan at least, and I'd like to keep and maintain that leadership in all the areas that we get into in the future to come. So this is from a little bit brief on what we have achieved in the last 1 year in the business development aspect. Moving on, in quality, last year we promised and committed ourselves to achieving ISO 9000 certification by the end of August of this year, 99. I'm happy to report that we have successfully being pre-assessed to be ISO 9000 TIC ID certified, and we should inshallah be successfully ISO 9000 certified by the end of July or mid-August. And by doing and achieving that objective, our Lahore Center has played a very remarkable role in coming and getting ourselves certified to a world level, and inshallah we shall be the first Pakistani company again which would achieve ISO 9000 TIC ID certification in this part of the world. Where do we go from here as far as quality is concerned? Once we have achieved the ISO 9000 target, we would like to bring in those quality processes into our centers in Karachi and Islamabad, and efforts are underway as we speak to bring in that kind of rigor and performance measurement matrices into those centers. So the next immediate target would be to certify Karachi and Lahore, Karachi and Islamabad offices, and moving on, we shall be moving to the American standard of quality, which is managed by some of the American quality boards. As you know, ISO 9000 is a British standard. Third major aspect is human resources development. Last 1 year, I think our business has consolidated a lot in the matter of financial control, operational management, and developing quality at a better cost. This year onwards, we will be putting a lot of effort in human resources development. We are committing ourselves to training extensively employees at all levels, especially in the leading edge technologies, management, software project management, and human resource management. So this year we are committing ourselves to an increased level, or maybe a much more accelerated level of human resources development, because end of the day, the real asset of this company is the people who are sitting in this room and people who have not shown and they're watching the game today. But end of the day, the people in this company are the people who bring in the real value end of the day. So that is the third aspect of business. The fourth aspect of business is running an efficient organization, which is delivering its contracts and getting repeat business from the same customer. In this aspect, I'm again happy to report that this year, more than 90% of the customers that we have serviced are repeat business. For a company like us in this business, this is a very, very significant achievement. This shows that whatever customer we have, we not only satisfy their current project needs, they are usually so happy with us that they give us more work. So this is an indicator that we use as a management to see our efforts and our delivery history, and we are committed to reaching that level in the years to come also. So this was a brief overview of what we have achieved during this year and what we would like to achieve during the next year. And I'm thankful for all of you to showing up here today, and I look forward to working and making this coming year more progressive and more growth oriented. Thank you very much.
Now we would like to call upon the stage the Chief Executive Officer of Cresoft, Mr. Humayun Mazhar, to come up here and share his thoughts with us. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to our 7th annual dinner. I guess most of the things I wanted to say have already been shared by Faisal, so I'm going to be very brief. I would like to take this opportunity to talk about the IT industry in Pakistan and where it's going at the moment. We started way back in 1992 when, there was a dream to export software out of Pakistan. Over the years, we've seen this dream turn into a reality. With the same thing, there's a lot of hoopla and excitement in Pakistan currently about the software export. When we started, maybe there were about 20 companies of any reckoning in Pakistan. On the last counting, I believe there are about 300 odd software companies in Pakistan who are registered with either the association or the Software Export Board. The government, on the other hand, has seen the failure of our traditional exports and are counting very high and maybe have wrong expectations from this industry. Off and on, you read in the newspapers that Pakistan is going to beat India or Pakistan is going to exceed what India is doing. And they talk about billions of dollars. IT, despite the hoopla, at the moment in Pakistan